In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Webflow. This is an essential task for anyone looking to integrate their payment processing seamlessly into their web design workflow. Webflow provides a powerful platform for creating and hosting responsive websites, while Stripe offers a robust payment gateway solution. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you have everything connected smoothly, making your online transactions more efficient and professional. To start this seamless integration, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of icons and options, but for our purposes, focus on the gear icon. This little symbol is your gateway to the settings of your current site. Clicking on it opens up a world of configuration options, allowing you to tailor your site to fit your needs. With your settings window now open, scroll through the list of options until you find the one labeled eCommerce. Clicking here is your next move, as it will reveal a series of choices related to the financial and transactional aspects of your site. Among these options, you'll find payment, which is precisely where we need to head next. Once you're in the payment section, you'll be greeted with various payment providers. This is where you decide how you want to handle transactions on your site. Among the list, you'll spot Stripe as one of the available choices. Stripe is known for its reliability and ease of use, making it a top choice for many online businesses. To proceed, simply click on the Connect Stripe button. This action initiates the process of linking your Stripe account with your Webflow site. Once you've clicked, you'll be guided through the necessary steps to complete the connection. This generally involves following prompts to log into your Stripe account, confirming permissions, and allowing Webflow to integrate with Stripe seamlessly. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that you might need to refer to your Stripe account details, so having those handy can speed up the process. Once the connection is established successfully, congratulations! You've effectively integrated Stripe with your Webflow site, enabling you to manage payments in a streamlined, efficient manner. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up a system that will allow you to accept payments on your Webflow site using Stripe, enhancing both the functionality and professionalism of your online presence. Remember, maintaining this integration will help provide the best experience for your customers when they interact with your website. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, both Stripe and Webflow offer excellent support options to help you navigate through. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your web development tools.